Okay, here we are moving on to math, which I'm kind of excited about because I know you guys love your money here, your coins. So we've already learned about this one. This is a penny. Who remembers who's on the front of a penny? On the head side, Abraham Lincoln. 1 penny equals how many cents? 1 penny equals 1 cent. So when you have pennies, you count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have also learned about dimes. Do you remember who's on the dime? Teddy Roosevelt. A dime is worth how many cents? 10 cents. 1 dime is 10 cents. So here you can see I have 10, 20, 30 cents. Our new coin that we're learning about today is called it starts with the N, nickel. On the nickel is a man here. This one might be easy for us to remember because his last name is the same name as our school. So his last name is Jefferson. Do you remember President Jefferson's first name? Starts with a T. Thomas Jefferson. On the tail side, the opposite side of the head side, is his home in Monticello. So if you have the dime here, you can kind of see there's some similarities or things that are the same about the dime and the nickel. What would that be? What do you see that's the same? They both have a man. They both are round. They both are the same color. What is different? The dime is smaller, and they're worth different amounts of money. How much is the nickel worth? 5 cents. The dime is worth 10 cents. 5 cents, 10 cents. If you remember the name of our school, you can remember the man on the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. Okay, let's see how much money I have with my nickels. We're counting by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. So we've got 20 cents here. If I wanted to switch these in for pennies, how many pennies would I need? 20 pennies. If I wanted to switch these in for dimes, how many would I need? I have 20 cents here. So I would need 2 dimes, 10, 20. This is called the nickel. All right, we're gonna keep doing some stuff with nickels as we go along, but I just wanted to show you on your worksheets today, if you have, or we're counting by 5s on this worksheet. So if you don't remember or know what we're counting by, just look up here and it'll show you 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I started this so that you could see, you probably already know what the shape is gonna be. But I just wanted to remind you that if you cross these off as you go, then it's easy to look up here and see what you need to go to next. So I've done all the way to the 15. See here? So then I can look up here and see what's next. What number? 20. So then I would draw a line down here to the 20. On your other packet homework stuff today, there's some subtraction problems. We just barely started subtraction before or a couple weeks ago. So we've done this activity once in school. Remember when we had the Swedish fish and I gave you a group of Swedish fish and you would put 7 Swedish fish on the table and then you would take away 2 and you would see how many you had left? 5. Or you can hold your hands up. If you have 7 and you take away 2, 1, 2, how many do you have left? Subtraction means to take away. Another word for it is minus. Some people say minus. So on this, if you cut these out, guess what will happen? The bears on the other side will be cut out. So if you have not already done this, I would suggest that you cut out the bears on this side so that you can use the bears for the chairs and the story problem. And then on this side, you use something else. Like maybe you use crackers, or if you have blocks, or something that you can just use to move around and take away. Okay. And then, of course, we have, this one has all of your numbers 1 through 20. Make sure that you're writing your numbers the right direction. You can ask your mom or your dad or your grandma or your friend or your sister or your brother, whoever is around, to make sure that you're going the same direction. Our teen numbers always start with the number 1. Teen numbers. Don't forget, because if this said 5 first, it would say 51, and that's not the right order. So there's that. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of these pages in a row. Do not do all 4 in a row. You can save one for another time. I'm not really sure how that happened. So you can just do some of those. And I think that's it for today. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to, of course, ask your parents. If you want to send me an email, if your parents need anything, that is just fine. I'm working on setting up some time so that if anybody wants to do a little online meeting with me, that would be great. I would love to see you guys. So until then, I hope you have a great day. Make sure that you're doing a good job listening to your parents or whoever is watching you and helping you. Make sure you make yourself proud, just like we always talk about, and just do your best and forget the rest, okay? Have a great day.